Gunke Machinery, which has been serving the production of electrostatical painting equipment and total painting facility using high technology, started business in 1996 with its fully equipped infrastructure and introduced a brand new understanding to the production of painting facility sector. It started the production process according to the needs of the sector by using conscious analysis techniques, and became a leading company by putting its signature under serious projects, achieved by its experienced administration staff, experts, young and dynamic employees. It is important to give punctuality regarding the delivery date with its principles, disciplined working technique, and successful projects that it has achieved. The Research and Development Department of Gunke Machinery introduced a number of new techniques to sector. Among the most important are recycling system of spray cleaning facility allowing saving in water and chemical materials, and the systems that allows manual usage of computer-supported PLC control painting facilities when needed. That certain quality underlines the values that Gunke Machinery attach to time and saving. Gunke Machinery especially sells systems that fits to conveyor lines, which it uses in painting facilities. Automatic oil and caterpillar type stimulating system is designed either for surface or aerial painting purpose according to the needs of workplace. In addition, it produces long footage aerial carrying and stocking conveyor lines. Iron phosphate, zinc phosphate, chromate-based plug-in, and spray surface cleaning preparation lines used before painting. Automatic and manual drive painting covering cabins with mono and multi-cyclone filter type, water-based or conventional painting plug-in units, water uncertain, filter liquid paint, polish, varnish, and lock system for various different purposes, dry and liquid enabled cabins. Climate rooms for implementation of painting according to preferred heat and humidity, conveyor system or closet type drying, steaming and special purpose ovens. And ready to use full automatic dry and liquid paint covering facilities including PLC control system. Gunke Machinery rent the painting service in a number of different sectors such as metal goods, radiator, machine spare parts, plastic goods, household goods, furniture and wooden products, small home equipments, aluminium, textile, automotive and side industries, lighting equipments, electric and electronic tools, and computers. High potential success in manual and full automatic control facilities, working philosophy based on nature, trust and friendship, 11 years long experience of working in disciplined tempo. Quality philosophy approved by worldwide serious painting projects. All brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, Ülker, Cola Turca, Algida, Urderin Dondurucu, Ipragaz, Yivas, Johnson Industry, Mogas and Mondial are carrying signature of our facilities. In professional principle of understanding, Gunke is your business partner for a solution.